しょうらい. We use this when talking about jobs, dreams, or school career paths. Also, used for plans and goals. 将来、仕事の話や夢、進路の話でよく使います。計画や目標を話すときにも使います。It is used as a noun and adverbial noun. 将来 points to time ahead and also to someone's prospects or outlook. 今より先の時間や先行きの見通しを表す言い方です。過去ではなく、これからのことに目を向けます。The first kanji means to lead or a general. You can see it in shogun and shogi. It often hints at guiding or heading towards something. Remember the shou sound. The seim kanji means to come or next. You can see it in lainen and mirai. It points to movement toward us or time ahead. The sounds lai and ku are common. I want to be a teacher in the future. 私は将来先生になりたいです。私は将来先生になりたいです。He talked about his dreams for the future. 彼は将来の夢を話しました。彼は将来の夢を話しました。I'm going to Japan in the near future. 近い将来、日本へ行きます。近い将来、日本へ行きます。I'm worried about my children's future. 子供の将来が心配です。子供の将来が心配です。The most common synonyms of the word are mirai and kongo. Mirai is more abstract or long range, while kongo means from now on in a practical timeline. Shōrai often feels personal and plans focused. The most common antonyms of the word are kako and genzai. Kako looks back to time that has already happened, and genzai focuses on the present moment, while shōrai looks ahead.